Hey guys, welcome to 2 Mil School. Today I'm going to share one trigonometry trick with you guys. It is used to memorize the sine and cosine of the basic angles. These angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These are the fairly common angles and this trick is known as the palm trick. So let's get started. Take either hand with your palm facing towards you and label your little finger as 0 degrees and your ring finger as 30, middle one as 45, index finger as 60 degrees and your thumb would be 90 degrees. To make this work, you just need to remember one thing, which is square root of the number of fingers divided by 2. So, if you wanted sine 30, you would bend down the 30-degree finger and you just have your little finger underneath. So, sine 30 is square root of 1 divided by 2 because there is only one finger underneath, which simplifies to half. So, if you wanted sine 90 degree, you would bend down your 90-degree finger and so you have 4 fingers underneath. So sine 90 is square root of 4 divided by 2, which simplifies to 1. Let's try out one more example. What would sine 60 be? You find out the answer and play the video when you are ready to check. Did you get square root of 3 divided by 2? This is the correct answer. For cos, we will just count the number of fingers above instead of the ones below. So, for cos 60, bend down your 60-degree finger and count the fingers that are above. So, cos 60 is square root of 1 divided by 2, which simplifies to half. Because you just have one finger above the 60-degree finger. Now, what would cos 90 be? Try it out and play the video when you are ready to check. Did you get 0? What we are doing here is bend down your 90-degree thumb and there are no fingers above. So, it is basically root 0 divided by 2, which is 0. And finally, tan. For tan, we still count fingers, but there is one extra little twist. Let's find tan 60. Let's bend down our 60 degrees finger and we have got one cosine finger above and 3 sine fingers below. So tan 60 would be square root of sine fingers divided by square root of cosine fingers, which simplifies to root 3. What would tan 30 be? You work on the answer and click here when you are ready to check. Did you get square root of 1 divided by square root of 3, which will simplify as 1 over root 3. So this is an extremely easy trick to memorize the sine, cosine and tan of the basic angles without any pen or paper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to stay tuned. Share the joy of learning.